Siya na yung paying attention. Malamang siya madami tayong mga kaibigan niya. Kahit yung mga naglaro ng college na hindi nakapaglaro ngayon sa commercial leagues. Pwede po kayo dyan.
Bang nasa kondisyon pa no? At
Tama.
aktibo pa rin sa paglalaro. Why not? Ito, alam ko, maasa to That'll probably discourage you. Magumarjan, balita.
Miko, during that last huddle, itong si Coach Chotres, binilinan yung boys niya. They are getting too predictable on the post-up plays. Kaya we should expect more Macmac Cardona and Jimmy Alapag the rest of this third quarter. Or pwede rin daw si Terrence Leather coming off the rotation. Back to you guys.
Thanks for that update, Mr. Magumarjan. And meantime, Pure Foods trying to inch their way back in this ball game as we near the 5-minute mark of the third period. Here's Cardona. He fakes, he drives, and scores!
Hindi na ako magko-comment, Bigo, dahil kanina pa ginagawa ni Macmac Cardona. And what a way for Macmac Cardona to earn his points. 13 points. Pare-pareho pong napakahirap ispilingin ng mga puntos. But they're on top by 13. What more can you ask for Macmac Cardona?
10 seconds to shoot para sa Pure Foods. Bola na kay Raimundo. And bothered by the help defense of Ali Peak. Here comes Cardona. Alapag on the move. Back pass. Leonard! No! Putback still no go. That would have been a highlight play para sa Talketex, but Pure Foods loses the ball. And now Terrence Leather makes sure.
Hindi na idadang. Pero yun yung binabanggit natin ng Raider Alimi. Kahit na hindi kasing taas ng kanyang talon, he distracted Terrence Leather. But Macmac Cardona, hindi lang sa opensa, dumipensa pa on Big Game James, forcing that offensive foul. Pang-apat na ito kay James Shop. Unti-unti pa naman yung nakukuha yung kanyang mga puntos in this third quarter. Pero mabablock ayan siya ng kanyang pang-apat na personal foul.
Laka is the correct term. As Cardona scores again.
Anong tira yun? Macmac Cardona shot.
The Mac Cardona special.
17-point lead para sa kupunan ng Talk and Text. And for Macmac Cardona, that would be his 15th point. Ito, napatunganga na lang lahat. Ringless na ringless. Napakadali ng puntos para kay Macmac Cardona.
Hard starting? Mag-outlast ka. Start agad.
From Brazil, Miss Earth 2004 Priscilla Mireles. At from Cuba, Miss Ecotourism 2007 Ariana Baruch. Handa nang mag one-on-one para sa corona. Pero teka, meron pang dalawang Pinay na gustong makiagaw. Sino sila? Abangan ng Revelation Night ng wildcard winners sa Shall We Dance? Search for the 2008 Dancing Queen. Linggo, 9 p.m. pagkatapos ng PBA Fiesta Cup sa Royal Rambulan Sunday ng ABC.
Shall We Dance is brought to you by Nivea D&H Zone Action. Works where aging shows the most.
Back inside the United Center, let's check out this No Fear Fearless move of the game. Brought to you by No Fear Underwear. Got the balls for it. Mac Cardona with an inexplicable shot, but it works nonetheless. Bottom line dyan, you produce results. And Macmac Cardona certainly producing results. That's our big boss, Miss SGO. And of course, Willie Marshall, PBA Media Bureau Chief. Ayan, VIP row dito sa Inares Center.
Talaga naman, napakaganda lagi natin venue pag nandito tayo sa Inares Center. Pero hindi magandang play yun. For Pure Foods, turnover na naman, pumapatay sa kanila. Dito sa nagsimula yun ng second quarter, dito sa third quarter, ganun din. Pang-anim na dito sa third quarter.
Well, Talk and Text is now enjoying their biggest lead of the game at 17 points. Here's Ralini. And here's a push coming from Ali Peak.
At kitang-kita na ating mga referees yan. So Ali Peak will be collecting his only his first personal foul, but his team is comfortably on top by 17.
First team foul laban sa Talk and Text. Kirby Raimundo for 3. And again, just one shot at a time para sa Pure Foods. Here comes Cardona, who is the man of the moment. At siya po'y hinarang ni Peter June Simon. Lagapak. Itong si Macmac Cardona, but he'll just brush it off.
Actually, hindi naman parang pader ang tinawag, parang puno, parang poste. Dahil balikat yung isasalubong dito. Ni PJ Simon, dire-diretso. Op, tigil muna tayo. I'm actually surprised. That hard a foul, dapat merong mas serious na penalty na ibinigay doon. Obviously, he was not there to stop the ball. He was there to floor Mac Cardona.
Here's Cardona, back on his feet. And Peter Jun Simon completes the steal. And he'll go all the way for two.
Well, PJ Simon scored that shot, his first 2 points. Matagal-tagal yan ang hinahanap. But Talking Tech is not giving Purpose that opportunity to run.
No, sir. I have to agree with you on that. Here's Alapag for three. Yes, sir!
This is Jimmy Alapag's house. Lahat ng kanyang mga 3-pointer, 17 puntos na ang kanyang natatala. 15 doon, galing sa labas.
So another booming TM3 for Jimmy Alapag. And this is now the biggest lead of the game para sa Talking Text.
Well, si Alipik nagre-reklamo after a foul was given to him. But he should realize, pero bago yun, ito, puntahan muna natin. Itong malayong 3-pointer nitong si Jimmy Alapag. Galing Ortigas pa po, yung kanyang 3-point shot na yan. Lahat ng mga 3-point shots na, talagang masasakit na ibinibigay sa Pure Foods.
Meantime, the pull-up is good para kay Simon, who has 4 points off the bench.
Well, I was talking about yung matchup ni Ralimi kay Alipik. Hindi naman na kailangan bungguin ng maigi itong si Ralimi. Was not really in 100% tonight.
You know, right now, Talking Text just picking their spots. Zaliado sends it over to Alapag. And here's Cardona with 12 to shoot. Cardona with a runner! And that's the man of the moment. Right back Cardona with 17.
Pure Foods is playing the zone and they are paying for it. Ang Pure Foods, ang Talking Text rather, handang-handang hanapin ang butas ng zona ng Pure Foods dito sa ating laban. They've been very patient. They've been passing the ball very well. Usually finding Mac Cardona open.
Here's Alapag and Cardona is all alone and he has 19 points in the game. 12 points coming here in the third period. At tumayo na ng todo ang Talking Text dito, now up by 20 big points in the third quarter.
Well, we are talking about Mac Cardona and James Schaap sa ating matchup tonight, but it's been all Mac Cardona. He's been defending very well, and of course, he's been scoring very, very well. 19 points for Mac Cardona. Pinakamalaki